All right, this is the AGEISLINK Wi-Fi smart detector, a smoke detector that ties into your Wi-Fi that you can run with a free app. It'll send you alerts and all kinds of stuff. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and take a look, and then I'll show you how to set it up on your phone. We have an instruction booklet in English, German, some mounting hardware, and there's a pin inside of here for resetting the device if you need to do it. Here's the mounting block right here. You mount this to the wall or on the ceiling, and this detector is going to screw in there, so let's check that out. Inside of the instructions here, they'll give you, if you need it, they're going to give you the best places to put a smoke detector in your house. It tells you all kinds of stuff. It tells you all the features inside of here, everything you need to know about it. This comes with a CR123 lithium battery that is protected during shipment to keep it from draining. You just pull this plastic tab out. Should be good to go. That little light comes on there to tell us that it's going through its self-diagnostic. Basically, with this mounting hardware and this block, it's just two screw holes. You got anchors you can put in the ceiling or the wall. Screw this thing in, and this is going to snap on here, and you just turn it and locks into place. You're good to go, and it hangs up there. Like I said, one of the cool things about having a Wi-Fi smoke detector is you can keep an eye on it when you're not in the house. And it comes with a free app. We're going to use the Smart app, which I've used on several other devices, in particular security cameras. So let me get the camera set up. We'll show you how to set this guy up. So before you set this up, you're going to want to know your Wi-Fi name and your Wi-Fi password, so have that handy with you. It comes with a couple of QR codes you can scan here to get the app off of the Google Store or the iOS Store, or you can just search for the TUYA Smart app and download that. And when you do download it, it looks like this. This orange one right here. When you download the Smart app for the first time, it's going to ask you for an email and a password, and they're going to send you an email verification to verify that it's actually you. And once you get that all verified, it will open up and bring you to the home screen here. So in this case, it's asking us to add a device. So we're going to add a device here, and going off of the instructions, we're going to look for sensors, which is right there. Sensor alarm, Wi-Fi. So now it's going to ask me for the password for my router, which I'll put in. The next steps, we're going to press and hold this test button down for 3 seconds. Confirm the indicator is blinking rapidly. Yes, it is. I'm going to connect that. It's blinking quickly, and it's connecting the device for us. Okay, so there it is, the AGEISLINK Wi-Fi smoke detector. Tap to add this device, so let's tap that. And there it is, added successfully, and we're done. That was pretty simple. Inside the settings here, we've got all kinds of notifications for you. Battery power, fault warning, alarm notification, silence notification, all kinds of stuff. So you can check that out and set it up any way you want. Right now it's telling me that we're safe. There's no fire. We're not in danger. That's good. So apparently if you had more than one of these, you can create a group. You can check the network's working. You can check to make sure that the device is updated. If someone else in your family has a Smart app on their phone and an account set up, you can share this device so that they can also monitor it. If you press and hold the test button down, it goes into its setup again. So you just want to do a quick press on this. It's got an 85 decibel alarm, so it's pretty loud and should be able to hear it from anywhere in a normal sized house. So let's do it. Quick test. One press. There we go. Pretty loud. Now, also wanted to show you too, when you go into this Smart app, I have actually went in and named mine AGEISLINK Office, because as I get more smoke detectors and place them in various places in my house, like the stairwell, the master bedroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, I can name them all individually as I add them into the Smart app and monitor, so I'll know exactly where the problem is if I've got a problem. And that's pretty easy to do. You just go into here, into the top here, and change it to whatever you want. Hit save. That's a pretty cool feature too. So you can even set up several zones inside of your house. So I guess the only thing left for me to do now is hang this up on the wall or the ceiling, wherever I decide to put it, probably in the ceiling. I'm good to go. As soon as I get a couple more of them, I can monitor them from anywhere I want on my cell phone. So if you're looking for a cool wireless smart smoke detector, check out the AGEISLINK Wi-Fi smoke detector.